allow me fixing everything. And today, because there is always something to fix, this exhaust on this car, it's bad. Yeah, when you start it up, this is not going to be initial startup, so it's going to be a little bit loud, quieter. But let's just get an example of what does it sound. It is loud, yeah. Where is blowing from? I think it's the seal right here, but also the weld here on top, yeah, and the joint right here where there is like a U-bolt. So that's the 3 places. What it needs to happen now is I need to take the bolts out from the manifold to the exhaust pipe, and then from the U-bolt and try to remove it. Okay, let's start with the bolts here on top. Now with the 4 bolts removed, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is only 3 bolts removed and the 4th one right there. It's holding it. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the manifold is snapped, and you don't actually need to remove it. Actually, and this one as well. You don't need to remove it. You can just take out the pipe. Also, this cable here for the lambda sensor, I will also remove from the top and just take out. You can see I have a leak from the oil filter housing. Now, this is what is next. I don't think I'm going to reuse the joint, so just get them done like this. Can I slide it out? I can almost. There we go, just like that. I'll spray some penetrating fluid right here, and I'll try to pull the whole pipe out. While I was taking this off, I actually found one more place that is leaking from. It's completely gone. This thing is completely gone on this side, yeah. So, yeah, makes sense now. I was hearing it from here. Look. Well, no problem. I'll just keep pulling. It's just very bad. It's just awful. Awful, I will tell you. It's awful. Why? It should be one piece. I checked. Brand new cost 125 euros. And I'm not gonna pay it. I'm not gonna give them 125 euros. So I'll fix it. I fixed it before here. Haven't moved at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'll clean it up on this side. Clean it up on this side. And then with this one here, I don't know. Maybe we'll need a whole new one, huh? I'll try to find a new flex joint. This one is a little bit, yeah. But the main problem where it was blowing is actually from here. This is being very thin and was blowing from the top, whatever the top is on this one. Yeah, so I'll show you the finished result. I'm not even gonna bother filming the whole process. Just finish. I'll just, try to fix it. I just want to show what I have done up to now. I cut left side and right side to the strong metal. Unfortunately, I don't have a pipe that can slide in, in between this one and this one, so you can get it stronger, but flush with at least 1 millimeter of thickness. I put 1 drop of weld, and this is how I measure, so it's even, yeah. And now it will be a weld all the way through, like it's on this side, but on this one, yeah. So what I do is in a few passes, I'm turning the exhaust and getting to the new point. Yeah, here already did one, and now it's gonna be here. This is so if you start on one side and you don't move, it will wrap and one side will get open. Oh look, what a nice washer. So it's done all the way through. I haven't put any new washers in. On this side, which is the top one, I made a little bit too much, and I think it was here, so I had to hold it. It's not that beautiful, but it will do the job. I think it will hold strong properly for a long time. This one looks fine as well. Let's get to see this one now. Okay, so this is the end product. I bought one of these 50 millimeter outside diameter I bought. This one, the old one, was with extensions, and this one now is not with extensions. You can see how short it is on this side. So the overall length of the exhaust is like that much less, so there will be no space for the exhaust pipe here to slide into the other one. So you have to, if you drive a VAG group, they don't do the exhaust pipes one into the other, they put them next to each other, and there is a clamp on the outside. So try to accomplish this. You can see the weld here, and then here there was a leak on this side. Here there was a crack, and then I put a metal piece on top as well. I'll show you now. You can see it. But it looks okay. So I'll just mount it onto the car and you'll see the result. Okay, so it's bolted. And I'm holding it on the other side with the jack stand, and this is what I came with. It's a 0.5 millimeter stainless steel with 4 water cams, stainless steel as well. Okay, so this is the final result. These clamps were not that good, so I put Jubilee clips in, a lot thicker as you can see and stronger, and I put one very large clamp because this is a 30, I think it's like 49 inch, millimeter outside diameter. This is 53 or 54, so there was like a 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter gap in here. The pipe is getting a little bit crushed, so it had to be very strong clamp so it can hold it tight. Now this is done. The whole thing is absolutely done. I just need to put this on, but unfortunately I don't have an oil filter, so I'll have to do the oil filter repair first, and then we're gonna give it a sound check. Oh, it's already running for a second. It was a little bit loud in the beginning, but now it's very good. We have a few complaints from myself. There is a little spot right here. Right here on the edge where it's blowing, and a little bit from that clamp right at the back, but it's okay. It's okay. It's a lot quieter than it was. It's not booming. It's okay. My shop compressor is running. Okay, that's it. I'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.